Oh my God, you can't even see the people next door.
I started right after you left to go back home, and then now this time Right, right.
They used to do a lot of work with their bodies and things.
That's right.
Helping out.
Yeah.
And help him until then. We'll get you this finishing moment here. This is where he's qualified.
Right.
Well, now he's jumped up to 41st quickest, so he's a good opportunity to race his way. Actually, got Chris was 42nd last year up to 7th. And there is Rick River, the superpower of NASCAR. We'll continue live from Daytona.
Open wireless 4G network. Sprint, the Now Network.
Yeah, that's what they were saying, and then Maryland declared a state of emergency. The National Guard's out, and I think they did it. I think it's a state of emergency in Virginia too. Yeah, I mean, and the backyard, it's just when you look out, it actually looks like, you know how when you drive by a lake and how it looks in winter with snow. That's how it looks.
In front of the pack, in the winner's circle, at the top of your game.
Lee says he hasn't seen this much snow
You
in
like
either
being
ever or
ahead.
very, very long time.
When it comes to transporting your prized cargo, Featherlight Innovation puts you ahead of the curve.
But I don't know that I've seen
Way
it bad since then.
Welcome back.
Hey, it's me, your TV. How's it going? I unplugged your cable to show you something better. DirecTV. See, check this out. With DirecTV, you can easily program your home DVR with your phone. Seriously, you can set it to record any show with any cell phone from anywhere. You forgot to record your favorite show? Problem solved. That's freedom, amigo. So give them a call, man, and hook me up with the good stuff. DirecTV. It'll change your life.
Ellen has arrived.
Are you a star? Are you the next American Idol?
Fox Tuesday. Welcome to Hollywood Week. Where anything can happen.
You should put some shoes on. It's filthy here. Hollywood is a disgusting town.
Ellen joins I.
Hey, Mike, you just missed Tony Gibson, crew chief of the 39 and Brian Newman, who sits third. He's walked over to thank Motor Rick for the engine that your engine department built. Congratulations, very stellar. Now, you've got to be very proud.
said